Step in the Right Direction was set up in 2005. RCT Council recognised their corporate parent responsibility and decided to deliver this programme, which is a 2-year paid traineeship programme where we can develop, train and give young people real quality work experience within RCT Council. And it was becoming very competitive. So in 2010 then we introduced Care to Work, and Care to Work works with young people who are furthest away from the labour market and are not engaged in employment education or training, and we help and support them with their employment with opportunities that's available to them.
I'm Josh Beer and I'm currently working on the Care to Work programme at the moment. Day one I was nervous and I didn't know what to do. Didn't want the camera on the computer, and ever since then I've benefited from it. It boosts my confidence and I've been eager to get on every Thursday afternoon, and that's really helped me with hours.
My name is Ian Arnold. I was part of the Care to Work and Step in the Right Direction, and right at this current moment I'm a park ranger in the War Memorial Park. It benefited from both programmes by them putting me on courses, giving me different opportunities to work different places. Yeah, I'd say they helped out tremendously.
I, like everybody else, expect to be treated the same as everybody else, whether you've got a disability, whether you need a step up, a helping hand, or rely on some of the knowledge I've gained over the years, because that's how I've got to where I am, is people supporting me through my journey. So as far as Ian's concerned and anybody else who's on these schemes, that's what I do. I'm here as a level of support.
As long as you've got the passion, the enthusiasm, and you're keen to help young people on that first pathway really for their career, it's going to go from strength to strength.